Welcome students to estimating and costing. In last video, we already discussed about the approximate estimate and the methods of approximate estimate, plinth area method and cubic content method. Now in this video, we shall see the numericals on plinth area method. So let's see one numerical. We will take one problem. uh, Prepare an approximate estimate, prepare an approximate estimate town hall having plinth area equal to 1500 square meter, having plinth area equal to 1500 square meter. The plinth area rate 4000 per square meter. Water supply and sanitary installation 5% of cost of building. Electric installation 10% of cost of building. Other services 5% of cost of building. Contingencies 3% of overall cost of building. And supervision charges 8% of overall cost of building. This is the data given in our contingencies means any unavoidable situation or fund required for emergency purpose. It is not expected or it is uh, emergency situation we are not predict or it may be happen or may not be happen. For this purposes, some fund is during the estimate of the project. Let's see the solution of this problem. We have given plinth area rate 4000 rupees per square meter, and the plinth area of the town hall is 1500 square meter. Already we discussed in last video the cost of any building is equal to plinth area into rate of the plinth area. So in this problem we have to find first cost of that town hall. So cost of town hall is equal to plinth area. So plinth area given is 1500 square meter into rate of per square meter area is given 4000. So the total cost of hall is equal to 60 lakh. 60 lakh. Hmm. Now second is a water supply and sanitation installation. So cost of water supply and sanitary installation is equal to it is given 5% of total cost of building. Now total cost of building is 60 lakh and 5% of that 60 lakh, that is 5 divided by 100 into 60 lakh. So it is equal to 3 lakh. Okay. So sanitary cost of water supply and sanitary installation is 5% of cost of building. Okay. Third one is electric installations. Okay. Electric installations, and electric installations require 10% of cost of building. So 10% of cost of building. So 10% of this 60 lakh. Okay. So 10 divided by 100 into 60 lakh is equal to 10% of 60 lakh is nothing but 6 lakh. The services require 5% of total cost of building. Other services is equal to 5%. So is equal to 5 divided by 100 into 60 lakh is equal to 3 lakh. Okay. This is 6 lakhs. And contingency charges. Contingency. Now, in this video, we shall discuss on numerical of on plinth area method, approximate estimate method, plinth area method, which was discussed in detail in last video. Okay, so let's see one numerical. We will take one problem. Uh, Prepare an estimate, approximate estimate. Prepare an approximate estimate. 3% of 72 lakh is equal to 2 lakh 16,000. Now, uh, in this video, we shall discuss on numerical of on plinth area method, approximate estimate method, plinth area method, which was discussed in detail in last video. Okay, so let's see one numerical. We will take one problem. Uh, Prepare an estimate, approximate estimate. Prepare an approximate estimate of a residential building of a town hall having plinth area equal to 1,500 square meter. Having plinth area equal to 1,500 square meter. The plinth area rate 4,000 per square meter. Water supply and sanitary installation 5% of cost of building. Electric installation 10% of cost of building. Other services 5% of. Now, in this video, we shall discuss on numerical of on plinth area method, approximate estimate method, plinth. Let's see another numerical, okay, of a school building. So numerical is uh, prepare an approximate estimate from the following data for a school building. Okay, number of classrooms 12, area of each classroom 50 square meter, area of other facilities 150 square meter, and similar school building having same specification and having built up area of 1750 square meter was constructed. So at rupees 71 lakh 26,000. Okay, this is the problem statement. So given data is that number of classrooms 12, area of each classroom 50 square meter, and area of facilities 150 square meter. This is the problem and the given data for this numerical. Now in this numerical, first we have to calculate the total area of school building. Now there are total 12 classrooms, each classroom having 50 square meter area. So total area of building is equal to 12 classrooms into 50. So this is area of classrooms, plus additionally there are some facilities provided. So the facilities are of 150 square meter. So the total area of building or school is equal to this 12 into 50 plus 150. So 600 plus 150 square meter. So it is equal to 750 square meter. So this is total area of building. Now for plinth area estimate, we require plinth area rate. Now in this numerical, the existing building of having built up area of 1750 square meter is constructed at rupees 71 lakh 26,000. So the plinth area rate of existing building is equal to estimated cost of structure, estimated cost of existing structure or existing building divided by total plinth area, divided by total plinth area. So existing school building is constructed at rupees 71 lakh, at rupees 71 lakh and 26,000, and the total area of that school is 1750. So total plinth area rate of existing school is equal to rupees 4072. So this is rate per square meter, per square meter plinth area. Now for proposed structure, approximate cost of school building is equal to area of school building, proposed building into plinth area per unit, per square meter is equal to, so is equal to approximate cost of school building is equal to approximate cost of school building is equal to plinth area into rate of 1 square meter area. Okay, so total plinth area in this proposed building we have calculated was 750 square meter into rate of existing building is 4072 rupees per square meter. So total approximate cost of the building is equal to uh, 30 lakh 54,000. Okay, so total cost of building is 30 lakh 54,000.